Let's say we have our spreadsheet. All we're going to do, just go with adding a header and footer. So we open it up, we're in the Home tab. There's a couple of different ways we can do it. First, we can go page layout. After that, we can take a different look at the various situations we have here. Where's view? Pop this out, header, footer, and you can do page 1, anything like that. You pick what you want. Custom header, you can enter the left, right, or center sections, whatever you want. There's, see, file names, sheet names, file path, really anything you want to do, so you can have this syntax pretty much on any aspect of the header footer you want. But the way, well, then you can do a print preview, take a look, all that good stuff. The easier way, view, page layout, and there it is. So all we have to do is click, 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 put it there, 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 there. If we want to go to, let's say, the footer, we go header and footer, go to footer, do the same thing. But if we want to do, like, let's say, file name, add that there. It says and file, taking it sleazy. There you go, it's on everything. And if we want it in the footer, click, header and footer, file name, taking it sleazy, all day, day. Alright, that's headers and footers. You can do some other stuff with them too, but this is just the fast and dirty. So in here, you can do other things, put pictures in, depending on if you have them on you want to browse through the internet, you want to find one on your desktop, that kind of stuff. Numbered pages, date, time, all that good stuff. So, see you next time. Thanks.